Am I the asshole?
Am I the asshole?
Am I the asshole?
Yes,
Yes,
bro,
you
you are the asshole. What a bastard, man. Today it's the asshole segment day.
Assholes are back. Am I the asshole for laughing at my boyfriend for crying? Interesting start.
For making my children pay for their own portion of our family vacation. देखते पढ़ के लगता है कि 25 साल के होंगे.
अब पता नहीं, हाँ भाई 50 साल का बच्चा हुआ तो पता नहीं भाई.
These stories get me traumatized. For telling my friend about a parent's affair. Interesting.
I don't know what to say over here, bro. It's bizarre story, bro.
Hello.
Let's go.
Welcome to another episode of Imposters. Today it's the asshole segment day
Assholes are back.
to judge other assholes. And it's been a long time since we've done
Yeah.
that.
Good to have a part 2 after a bit.
I think ये part 3 हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
Part 2 होगा.
Part 2. हाँ, some part, bro. It's been a
और
while.
हमें थोड़े variations subtle हुए. मैं क्या ये तो अलग है, ये तो अलग
इतने
segment है.
segments कर लिए, bro. अभी याद ही नहीं रहते यार.
उसका एक part निकाल के दूसरे में डाल देते हैं. ये तो अलग segment है. Okay, so let's get going.
First one. Am I the asshole for laughing at my boyfriend for crying? Interesting start. My boyfriend came to my place yesterday evening. I could tell he was exhausted from work. We were about to watch a movie, but he wanted to take a shower first. He came out a few minutes later and looked for something in his jacket. He looked kinda distraught. I asked him what's wrong and he started laughing while crying a bit. He said he bought us sneakers and couldn't find it because he wanted to eat it now. He looked everywhere, but he did find it and then he started breaking down a bit. And I know it sounds bad, but I started laughing a bit because the situation seemed to be so bizarre to me. And I've never seen him cry before. We are dating for 10 months now, and this was the first time I saw him crying, which is an issue, which is insane. But I think that's kind of the reason why I laughed a bit. Anyway, he looked at me while I laughed a bit, and his face kind of dropped. He put on his clothes and told me he is going home now. I wanted him to stay because he wanted to watch a movie, but he left anyway. I tried texting him the whole night, but he didn't text back. I tried calling him, but he didn't pick up. And I know that he has been online for an hour. I feel like he's mad at me, or maybe he needs some time for himself, but I kind of feel bad for laughing. Bizarre story, bro.
I think kind of an asshole, yes. I would say because
Yeah.
See, when the story starts, you're like कि ठीक है, हाँ, like fun banter and like whatever.
Yeah.
But as you went ahead with the story,
Yeah.
and he says that we have been dating for 10 months
Yeah.
and I haven't seen him cry ever since.
Yeah.
And उसके वजह से I started laughing and all because it is just so insane.
Yeah.
What nonsense.
Exactly.
You see someone cry for the first time and you start laughing.
Laughing.
अभी यार मैंने उसको अभी रोते नहीं देखा. तो कितना funny है, देखो रो रहा है, पहली बार रो रहा है, उसको मैंने रोते. क्या nonsense. And I think just for men, so like, okay, if you read this in standalone, obviously
Yeah.
this sneaker thing might be कि अरे ये तो क्या हुआ, एक chocolate है,
Yeah.
but like he's a grown ass man. Obviously there are so many like other things bothering him,
Yeah.
and I think this small thing might have pushed him off the edge, and that's very broke down. There might
Exactly.
be so many other reasons, maybe at work, at home,
Yeah.
like whatever, XYZ.
Yeah.
ऊपर से I think that it is a universal truth that men bottle up their emotions,
Yeah.
almost all the emotions,
Yeah.
and it is just that one random incident that will just like make them go berserk about any emotion.
Exactly what I was going to
हाँ.
say कि मतलब ठीक है, started very insanely कि भाई स्नीकर पे रो रहा है बंदा, but धीरे धीरे यू रियलाइज कि वो वन थिंग 50 अदर चीज़ों का वो इमोशन उसका निकल गया कि ठीक है ये सब चल रहा है, और सडनली आई लॉस्ट माय स्नीकर्स एंड ही वांटेड टू ईट इट एंड ही कुडंट
Yeah.
फाइंड इट, सो ही must have had a bad day already and this was the breaking point कि भाई
Yeah.
अभी ये तो हो गया. And initially her reaction was a bit funny कि ठीक है, she started laughing but she pushed it a bit कि हाँ भाई first time I'm seeing him cry after I don't know 10 months of a relationship. So that is bizarre to me. So is she the asshole? I'm not sure कि ठीक है चलो स्नीकर का, बट आई गेट इट भाई, ये वो बंदी सोच रही है कि ब्रो एक स्नीकर्स के लिए लो रहा है क्योंकि उसको पता नहीं रहा कि ही इज हैविंग अ बैड डे और समथिंग, बट शी शुड हैव स्टॉप्ड इट कि ठीक है, शी शुड हैव कंसोल्ड हिम कि ब्रो like whatever, we'll get something else for you to eat. It was bizarre, and my man literally walked out. He's like, fuck this shit. I'm going out.
Yeah,
I need my peace.
Yeah, because like you're there sitting crying, and obviously for any sane individual, anyone knows that it's not about the chocolate.
Exactly.
It's
Yeah.
not about the chocolate bar, and in his so when he's crying, so you can just from the face you can make out ki it's just a random cry ki I just want to get but
Yeah.
मतलब वो चेहरे पे दिखता है कि actually that's some kind of a burden that is getting
Yeah.
off his shoulders or like whatever. Apart from it, and it's just a thing because you as a man sitting there, if I or you were in his position, that makes you think ki, I can't even cry in front of her.
Exactly.
And then
First
people
time
come
you're
up,
crying and you're
yeah,
already
yeah,
embarrassed.
yeah, and then people come and talk, talk about men's mental health,
Yeah.
and open up and do this and that,
Yeah.
talk to people. It's okay for men to cry. If all this happens, then like how is it okay?
Exactly.
So if you think from his point of view, I think for him it's okay to not reply to her text or not answer her calls because for a man to let his guard down,
Yeah.
it's a big thing.
Yeah.
And because agar let's say ki if I'm breaking down in front of you, it's a very conscious decision from my side.
Yeah.
अगर वही होता ठीक है let's say that about the same chocolate bar but not his girlfriend of 10 months,
Yeah.
some random woman or like some random friend है ना तो वो नहीं रोता because I think when a mind cries it's like it's very consciously and he knows कि उसके आजू बाजू क्या है and एक बार के लिए उसको लगता है कि चल रो सकता होगी.
He feels safe around
Yeah,
that
yeah.
person कि ठीक है I can
safe
cry.
secure and मैं कि चल ठीक है इसके सामने तो
Yeah.
रो ही सकता हूँ.
Yeah.
बाकी के सामने what you will do is you will try to get out out of the room and alone and
Yeah,
all
you'll
these
just
things.
try to leave and then cry later.
Uh,
But
so
I
I-
think this situation is easily solvable also. कि ठीक है that guy needed space for an
Please.
hour or so.
Yeah,
But if that guy like ignores her for a day or two, then he's also wrong. कि ठीक है, he can at least talk. He can tell her that what you did was wrong. कि तेरे को रोना नहीं
yeah,
चाहिए था.
but like she needs to अभी like obviously it is not clear that
Yeah. Context क्या है वो बता
yeah, in terms of what kind of methods she has taken
Yeah.
in order to solve it out.
Yeah.
If she has dropped her text saying ki bro I'm sorry and
Yeah.
if you want to talk like like so I think after some time
Yeah.
obviously he should reply at least कि
Correct.
चलो एक बार बात कर लेते हैं or to just hear her out
Yeah.
कि ये क्या कहना चाह रही है in her defense.
Yeah.
But मतलब कि वो ये कि उसको कॉल उठाने का मन ही नहीं करेगा बिकॉज देन उसको पता है कि वहां से आने वाला है कि अरे मैं तो ऐसी कर रही थी ये कर रही थी तो वो क्या एक्सप्लेन करेगा इट इज मतलब आई
No,
थिंक
you
इट्स
never
इट्स अ
know,
वेरी
like,
वल्नरेबल स्पेस टू बी इन
yeah.
फॉर अ मैन.
Yeah, but you never know that chick might actually if she apologizes in the right
Yeah,
way.
if she apologizes, but again, that it's also about the mentality. See, again, the
Yeah.
guy does not know her mentality, but right now in that post she has written,
Yeah.
I've never seen him cry.
Yeah.
For 10, I've been dating him for 10 months. I've never seen him cry, and I saw him cry, and that's insane for me.
Yeah.
What is that stupid reason?
How is that?
The
How is that
reason is
insane?
stupid.
Yeah, that is extremely stupid, bro. Like
That reason.
you should be ulta ki bhai theek hai, this guy feels comfortable to
हाँ.
cry in front of me. That should be your thinking ki bro he's crying at least. theek hai, you laughed, fuck it. Now you can go and console him. The fact that you're saying, oh, he's crying in front of me and that's insane to me, it's very
and
stupid and very
that's the
immature.
first time that I'm seeing
Yeah.
seeing him crying.
And
So,
if it would have
yeah.
been the other way around, she
Yeah.
would have flipped completely कि भाई तू हंस कैसे रहा है मैं तो पहली बार तेरे साथ रो रही हूँ so
and that's the difference in terms of just the thought process and the
Yeah.
mentality.
Yeah.
Like in Modern Family, we have seen Claire, right?
Yeah.
वो उसका defense mechanism है कि in times of grief she starts smiling.
Yeah.
Now that's a defense mechanism.
Yeah.
अगर वो ऐसा बोलती कि अरे ये तो पहली बार मरा है मेरे सामने मतलब या कोई पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा है तो मैं हंस रही हूँ उसको पता है चाइल्डहुड से उसका वैसा है.
हाँ.
इसके केस में तो इट्स लाइक ये तो अरे पहली बार देखा मैंने उसको रोते हुए तो मैं हंस दिया.
Yeah.
मतलब कि like you do all this dieting and all and you don't take care of your health etc and then you're crying after a month ki, oh I can't fit in this dress etc
Yeah.
and then you're allowed to break down because you think that you're fat. मतलब
It's the same
that's the
logic only.
hypocrisy, yeah.
Yeah.
इसलिए
Probably.
understand
Probably. Yeah.
I think I would lean towards the asshole side.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just lean towards that.
Yeah. The
70,
fact
30,
that the
yeah.
fact that she said it was insane to me that he was crying.
First time in front of
Yeah,
me.
that was the asshole bit.
Okay, the next one. Am I the asshole for making my children pay for their own portion of our family vacation?
Ooh.
देखते पढ़ के लगता है कि 25
पता
साल के
नहीं,
हो
हाँ
गए.
भाई 50 साल का बच्चा हुआ तो पता नहीं भाई.
We have been planning on going on vacation to Cuba for the Christmas holidays for a week.
Hmm.
It's pretty pricey during Christmas holidays. Yes. But that's the only time we can all go. We have 3 children, 20 female, 15 male, and 12 female, who are making them who we are making them pay for their own ticket and part of the hotel, since we wouldn't be financially stable enough to pay for 5 plane tickets and such. My 12-year-old daughter has been complaining that since the other two have jobs and she doesn't, that it's not fair. However, we have decided to stick firm with it and equal to them all. Their other option, if they don't want to pay, is staying at grandma's. She has savings which are just enough to cover the vacation, but she also wants to save up for a phone. My other 2 children aren't happy that they have to pay for their own, but they are willing to since we'd be going to Cuba. Am I the asshole for making them pay? I feel like most families don't make their children pay for their own tickets, but since we all really want to go, my wife and I think it's the best option.
Yes, you are the asshole.
कहाँ पे बोलते हैं?
हाँ,
Yes, bro,
you-
you are the asshole. What a bastard, man.
Bro, just don't go.
Yeah.
Like don't fucking go. ऐसा तेरे
As
पास
simple as
पैसे
that.
नहीं है तो why are you ऐसा कि नहीं जाना
हाँ.
ही है, ट्रिप पे मत जाओ ना ब्रो. और अगर तुमको जाना ही है then fucking do something for your kids bro. अगर तुमको पता है तुम फाइनेंशियली स्टेबल नहीं हो, तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारे पास पैसे नहीं है, first of all don't have 3 fucking kids. Like it's just
Amen.
fucking blows my mind bro. And when you have 3 fucking kids and you cannot afford to go on a trip, don't go on a trip. अगर तुमको
Absolutely.
फोर्सफुली तुम अपने चिल्ड्रन को बोल रहे हो, बच्चों को बोल रहे हो कि नहीं ट्रिप पे चलना है तो अपने पैसे भरो, सेकंड ऑप्शन स्टे विद योर ग्रैंड मॉम. तो इवन दे फील लाइक कि भाई मेरे को ट्रिप पे जाना है, मेरे पेरेंट्स जा रहे हैं तो मेरे को भी मन कर रहा है, और बच्चे हैं ब्रो उनको भी घूमना है. तो चल ठीक है, 2 लोग के पास जॉब है, बट उन 20-year-old 15 years old ब्रो ऐसे क्या पैसे कमाते रहेंगे वो लोग? थोड़ी ना दे आर अर्निंग एज मच एज देयर पेरेंट्स. जो भी सेविंग होता रहेगा सब ट्रिप पे डाल दिया रहेगा. वन 12-year-old kid they are asking her
Nonsense.
also to pay bro. What the actual fuck? बैड
Nonsense,
पेरेंटिंग
bad-
ब्रो. इससे ज्यादा खराब
bad-
पेरेंटिंग हो ही नहीं सकती.
भाई पेरेंटिंग ये आदमी खराब है. पेरेंटिंग छोड़, पहले आदमी
swear,
खराब है.
bro.
I think कि he is just pushing off the responsibility.
Yeah,
Like he is not taking accountability and responsibility as a father.
yeah,
And I don't mean in a way कि since you're the father, है ना, you have to earn
yeah.
and take your family on fancy vacations and all. Obviously अगर किसके पास पैसे होंगे, अगर लोग की इच्छा होती है जाएंगे. But if you can't afford that for a family of 5, including yourself, then just don't go, as you said. Like
Exactly.
it's the simple and the best option. I know
Exactly.
कि, like, you know, everyone has that ambition of going on a good trip, but just cut down on your budget. Go somewhere local. Like, why the fuck do you have to go to Cuba
Exactly.
and maybe show to the world कि, oh, like, you know, we've been to Cuba, and at the same time you are in that delulu phase कि नहीं मैं तो सही कर रहा हूँ, मेरे बच्चे पे ऐसे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी डाल के तभी तो वो सीखेगा. I mean, see, first of all, a 12-year-old not justified. 15-year-old,
Fucking labor bro.
15-year-old not justified.
Yeah.
20-year-old I can still think once, but 20 में तो लोग का ग्रेजुएशन भी नहीं होता.
Exactly. इंटर्नशिप
least-
मिलेगा और
हाँ.
कितना ट्रिप के लिए थोड़ी ना इतना कमा लेगा
At least मतलब कि I can, in the sense कि see, when it's a vacation thing, you as a parent would love to, like, you know, cover it.
Yeah.
Example, let's say you're 20-year-old doing an internship, 15-year-old doing an internship, and asking for a fancy phone or a new dress, and then you can be like, you know, you're earning now. So
Correct.
thoda save karke go. It's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
You're literally telling them to book their own plane tickets and pay for their own hotels. Then why the fuck would they want to come with you?
Exactly. They might as
वो
well
अपने
go with
दोस्तों
their
के साथ
friends
जाओ.
ना bro.
हाँ.
पेरेंट्स के साथ ही जा रहा हूँ मैं, और उस
हाँ.
पे भी मैं ही पैसे भर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि उसमें पैसे है भी नहीं.
And when you're not even 21, you're below that. You're 12, you're 15, and what? And I'm telling you, malab, see, after a point now, like once you cross the age of 25,
Hmm.
you go like, ki, yeah, if you're going on a family vacation, then
Yeah.
I'm paying for everyone.
Everyone. Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But मतलब ये उसके पास पैसे नहीं है. He's just trying to push off some responsibility कि हाँ हाँ कि नहीं मैं दुनिया को दिखाऊंगा कि मेरा पूरा परिवार जा रहा है,
yeah,
बट मैं खाली मेरे और मेरे वाइफ का दे रहा हूँ। मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ इंटरनली इसके और इसके वाइफ का भी कुछ अरेंजमेंट होगा कि तुम अपना दे मैं अपना देता हूँ।
yeah. And the fact that he's asking the world, am I the asshole? And वो
Yeah.
खुद को कन्विंस करने की ट्राई कर रहा है कि नहीं ब्रो, दिस इज हाउ पेरेंटिंग वर्क्स। मैं यही एज में बच्चों को सिखा रहा हूँ ताकि बड़े जाके
रफ एंड
रिस्पॉन्सिबल
टफ
हो।
एंड ऑल
बट ब्रो तू ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं हुआ, तेरे बच्चे कहाँ से रिस्पॉन्सिबल होंगे, इज माय पॉइंट।
एंड इसमें बेसिक लॉजिकल थिंकिंग नहीं है।
या
लाइक तेरे को क्यों जाना, क्यों क्यूबा, तेरे पास उतने पैसे नहीं है।
एग्जैक्ट ब्रो, सोच ना 12 साल की बच्ची ब्रो इतना स्ट्रेस ले रही है पैसों के बारे में कि, और ट्रिप के लिए चल पैसे तो ठीक है, चल योर फैमिली डजंट हैव मनी, इट्स ओके, बट ट्रिप के लिए इतना स्ट्रेस ले रही है कि ब्रो माय पेरेंट्स आर गोइंग, माय टू फकिंग व्हाटएवर ब्रदर्स आर आल्सो गोइंग, आई एम नॉट एबल टू गो बिकॉज़ आई डोंट हैव द मनी।
या एग्जैक्टली माय पॉइंट। सी लेट्स से कि वो जो 3 भाई बहन है उसमें से 2 के पास है
हाँ
और एक के पास नहीं है,
या
तो ये जैसा बंदा, ये तो मेरे को लग रहा है कि वो उसको छोड़ के निकल जाएगा, ये लोग 4
100%।
निकल जाएंगे। और एंड दैट गिव्स अ रॉन्ग सिग्नल टू द अदर चिल्ड्रन एज वेल
या
कि आज को मेरे को छोड़ के गया है, कल को किसी
एग्जैक्टली। फिर ऐसे भाई अगले ट्रिप में सब ऐसे रेडी रहेंगे, भाई मेरे पास पैसे है, एकदम वो इंटरनल ड्रामा हुआ कि भाई मैं पैसे कले मैं क्यों तेरे को दूं, अगले ट्रिप के लिए को जाना है ये
Yeah.
वो ब्रो, इतना कलेश करेंगे लोग घर पे।
फालतू मनी माइंडेडनेस।
यस यू आर द फकिंग आसोल।
यस ब्रो।
Okay, next one. Am I the asshole for leaving my grandma's birthday party? I, a 14-year-old male, went to grandma's 76th birthday party and I was very excited to celebrate with my family. But as soon as I got there, my grandma started commenting on how skinny I looked, saying I needed to eat more. Every nanny or grandmom. At first, I thought it was just her being judgmental as always, but she kept going on about it in front of everyone. My grandma knows that we live in a family with very quick metabolism, but she called me too skinny. It made me really mad. I was going to talk back, but that would just make me look like a fool. Plus, I'm not talking back to my grandmom. After a while, I told my parents I was leaving because I couldn't handle it anymore. They were shocked and tried to convince me to stay, but I just walked out and asked my friend to pick me up. On the way home, my mom called me to say I should have just ignored her, but she always talks to me and my siblings like that. The party was boring anyways. Favorite cousin wasn't there. Anyways, am I the asshole for leaving the party because of because of what my grandmom said?
I think that it's tricky because see, in our Indian households,
Yeah.
it's like a very standard generic thing.
Yeah.
कि तो पतला हो गया है, खाता नहीं है, बहुत दुबला है, ये etc etc.
हाँ.
Now it depends on like in what tone did she say that,
Yeah.
in what environment, in what context, and in front of whom she said that,
Yeah.
and how many times she said that.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of factors, but I think I'll give it to the kid for not talking back,
Yeah.
for keeping his cool, for still respecting her
Yeah.
and not saying anything, and at the same time it just feels that he tried to stay for longer.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं कि आया है ना, दादी नानी ने कुछ बोला
हाँ.
और फिर निकल गया.
Yeah.
He tried to stay for longer, but like when things got out of control, in the sense कि it might be harmless or for her it might be fun or like whatever,
Yeah.
but he still tried to stay for longer. तो नहीं जमा तो he was like कि छोड़ो अब नहीं हो रहा. And I think that's the fair thing to do just after some time कि हाँ भैया I'm going, it's cool.
Yeah.
But the fact that not ruining the vibe of the party, not talking back, not creating a scene.
Yeah.
And as a 14-year-old, because at the age of 14 you're a bit of a rebel.
Correct.
And you're a bit short-tempered as well. Yeah, but still keeping his cool, I think that's great.
Yeah, he acted very maturely.
Yeah.
Bro. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना 14 साल की उम्र में इतना mature
हाँ.
act करना, and ऐसे being called too skinny is equivalent to being called too fat. And fat is more ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि ऐसे कोई publicly 2-3 बार fat बोल देगा, you will also get offended कि bro what are you saying, you're fat shaming. So this is the same logic, bro.
Yes.
And the way he didn't talk back to his grandmom, like really good mature behavior, क्योंकि कोई भी और ऐसा बच्चा होता है जैसे तूने बोल देता कि भाई I'm not too skinny, whatever he would have said something, but he kept his calm. थोड़े टाइम रुका and he was like fuck it, I'm dipping.
Yeah.
bro, कितना ही सुनूं मैं.
Yeah.
और and हम जैसे तूने बोला इंडियन, हमारे लिए तो इट्स वेरी ऐसा नॉर्मल, क्योंकि हम किधर भी जाते ही बोलते ब्रो कितना पतला हो गया है, खा ले. एंड दे से इट आउट ऑफ केयर कि
Yeah.
हाँ ब्रो मेरे घर पे आया है, खा ले इतना पतला हो गया है. ये पता नहीं कौन से टोन में बोला रहेगा, बट फेयर डूड ब्रो, like he dipped without saying anything to anyone.
Yeah.
And he tried, he made made conversations, tried to talk to people, थोड़े time के लिए रहा, and he's like, छोड़ो यार, मेरे को scene नहीं create करना, drama नहीं चाहिए unnecessary.
And plus, I think the favorite cousin wasn't there. So
Yeah,
it makes it more
makes a
justifying.
lot of sense, bro.
So, not the asshole.
Not the asshole.
Verdict has been given. Okay. Am I the asshole for telling my friend she's in the same league as men she calls ugly?
Woo.
Oh.
Early predictions, no.
No, not the asshole. My friend, 19 female, downloaded dating apps like Tinder and Hinge for the first time about a week ago. For reference, she's the type that always says she wants a boyfriend, wants to do couple things, feels lonely, single, etc. She's also, in my opinion at least, very normal and average looks wise. Not ugly, not super hot, just alright. Since then, she's been complaining to me that almost all men there are ugly, short, etc. Not even short. And then she doesn't match with anybody hot. I asked to see which people she was calling ugly, and so she showed me her likes. And it mostly showed people perfectly in her league, as in moderately attractive guys. I told her that these guys were all in her league and she should give some of them a chance since she always complains about wanting to be in a relationship. She denied that she is the same league as them and said that she is much more attractive than them. I pointed out that in her own words, she doesn't match with any of the guys she does find attractive, so she is not in their league. She said that I was an asshole. Am I?
No, you're not the asshole, bro.
Up.
It's like this all comes down to self realization. उसके खुद के उसने दिमाग में ऐसे स्टैंडर्ड्स रख लिए कि वो ब्रो आई नीड द परफेक्ट गाय, आई नीड दिस और दैट, बट यू नीड टू रियलाइज दैट कि ठीक है, मैं जो भी हूँ, आई लव माई सेल्फ एंड आई फाइंड अ पर्सन हु लव्स मी ऑल्सो. इन दी एंड आई थिंक डीप डाउन शी हेट्स हर सेल्फ. मतलब कुछ तो उसको है कि भाई आई एम नॉट परफेक्ट और आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद समथिंग ऑफ माई ओन, एंड दैट इज द रीजन वाई शी इज ट्राइंग टू बी लाइक कि आई ऑल द मेन आर अगली, ये वो है, ये फ्लॉज दूसरों में भी ढूंढ रही है. दैट eventually means she doesn't love herself और कुछ तो है उसमें issue. That's the reason why she's portraying it. तो जैसे उसके friend ने बोला कि भाई you complain a lot about not being in a relationship and you're still trying to ignore all the guys that you're getting, that's absolutely fucking wrong, bro. So don't complain is my point. If you're not happy with the guys you're getting, don't complain about it कि bro boys are ugly, whatever, I'm not in a relationship. But if you're complaining and you're ignoring every guy that you're getting, it's absolutely wrong, bro. And your friend is not wrong for calling you an asshole. She just देखो दुनिया में ला रही है भाई. तू अभी बहुत पता नहीं क्या expectations है. देखो she is keeping you humble. Bro, whatever you're getting, deal with it. Correct. And it's not like you're getting bad guys, right?
Yeah. And she told her the truth after a long time कि यार इसका बकचोदी बहुत हो गया, इसको बताना पड़ेगा. So that came from a very honest place, obviously. That has to be appreciated.
Yeah. And
at the same time, I believe कि like she is in a full Delulu phase.
Yeah.
कि एकदम कि मैं बहुत अच्छी दिखती हूँ एंड मेरे को ऐसे मिलनी चाहिए. तो फर्स्टली इफ आई हैव टू टॉक अबाउट her personality as a friend pointed out, like she always like she wants to be in a relationship. She doesn't want to be lonely, she wants to do couple things, etc. So her idea of being in a relationship is to be with someone to make her feel that okay, you're the girlfriend, I'm the boyfriend, and I'll do things for you, and etc. And then we like, you know, all coupley and cuddly and all those things, etc. Now for her, she's like, no, I want to be with an attractive guy. And that's a parameter for a good boyfriend. So that's a starting point. बाद में वो बंदे का पर्सनालिटी कैसा निकले, अच्छा खराब चूतिया लंड, उसको नहीं फर्क पड़ता.
ऑलरेडी
उसको ये है कि बस अट्रैक्टिव होना चाहिए. So I think it's for her, it's about the status symbol.
Yeah, that's it. Just to show everyone else that I'm dating a very hot guy.
Yeah, I'm dating a hot guy. I can pull hot guys and things. So I think the place that she's coming from, you understand that that basically need and want का concept.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
तो उसका need और want का ही पूरा हिला हुआ है.
Yeah.
She doesn't need that, but she wants that.
Wants it. Yeah.
Yeah, and her wants are unreasonable. And I'll also chalo agree to the fact कि if you being like moderately attractive, sometimes it's fair to like, you know, be in love, or be infatuated with people, like who are super hot, or even want them, but then sulking over it and like, you know, giving yourself false expectations It is just going to ruin your love life. You'll not find anyone at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And it's just about, well, I can't emphasize more on the starting point. जो स्टार्ट हो रहा है तुम्हारे दिमाग से वो ही गलत है.
करेक्ट.
मतलब तू लाइक स्टार्टिंग में पढ़ना हो कि मतलब तू बस दिखाने के लिए कर रही है.
बस ब्रो और कुछ है ही नहीं.
मॉडरेटली अट्रैक्टिव भी है. मैं तो
Yeah.
चल मतलब लाइक वी हैव सीन अ कपल ऑफ पीपल लाइक गर्ल्स और गाइस they are dating people who are not that good.
Yeah.
उसमें से some are rich, तो उसको भी निकाल दे.
हाँ.
Now those people who are not good looking, those who are not that rich, that's true love, man.
Exactly.
That's true love. Be inspired by them.
Going on.
Not the asshole.
Not the asshole. Yeah.
Not the asshole.
100% not the asshole. Next one. Am I the asshole for demanding my friend pay back the money I loaned her for her trip because she's now posting about a luxury vacation? Happens very often. So last year, my friend Sarah needed $2,000 for an emergency and I lent it to her cause I wanted to help. She said she would pay me back in 6 months. Well, it's been over a year and I still haven't received a dime. Every time I asked her, she said she was tight on money and would pay me when she could. Then, out of nowhere, she posts about this crazy Bali trip, fancy restaurants, private villa, and the whole deal. I was kind of shocked. Like, if she could afford all that, why not pay me back? I messaged her, kept it chill, just said, hey, I see you're enjoying Bali. Can we talk about the $2,000 you owe me? Feels like I'm being taken for granted. She flipped, called me petty and jealous, said I had no right to say anything, then blocked me. So, am I the asshole for asking my money back when she's clearly having the best trip of her life?
See, you are not the asshole, but I think you're an idiot. Because
100%.
you know कि पैसे नहीं आने वाले, तो पूछ के भी मतलब नहीं है. But yes, I think उसको point out तो करना चाहिए था.
Yeah.
ये जो उसको मैसेज भेजा है ना,
हाँ.
I love it that how she has sent this message during her trip.
Yeah, very
and in a tone कि I see you're enjoying.
politically correct.
Yeah. कि उसको taunt भी मिल जाए.
Yeah.
उसको मैंने बोल भी दिया, अगर उसका इससे दिमाग भी खराब होता है तो उसका ट्रिप भी एक दिन के लिए खराब हो जाए कि जब वो
Correct.
सोच रही है. But it's like she's not the asshole, तो फिर वो तो
Yeah,
हमने
yeah.
बोल दिया. But these kind of people, man, they take money and then they go on these, like, see, if you've taken money from someone and then like you're in a fancy restaurant in the same city,
Yeah.
ठीक है, but
हाँ.
you're in a foreign country
Yeah.
in high-end restaurants
Yeah.
and enjoying life and all those things, and you're like, इसमें तेरा जो तूने लोन लिया है उससे है ना $2,000 का,
Yeah.
तेरा इससे 10x खर्चा हुआ रहेगा इस प्रॉब्लम.
100%. और तो दिखा रही है पूरे सोशल पे कि मैं इधर हूँ उधर हूँ एंड द फैक्ट दैट व्हेन शी मैसेजेस हर वो बंदी इसको पेटी बुला रही है कि
हाँ,
हाउ कैन
petty,
यू से
yeah.
दिस एंड शी ब्लॉक्स हर लाइक ब्रो what the actual fuck ऐसे लोग भी exist करते हैं bro. It's so stupid bro and it's always very weird for the other person also to ask कि भाई तू मेरे
Correct.
पैसे कब दे रहा है.
Correct.
That's already fucking weird.
Correct.
And जब भी वो पूछती है वो बंदी बोलती है कि no I have something or the other going on and this person is still being very calm कि ठीक है चल बाद में दे देना. I don't
It's been over a year.
It's
6
been-
months का बोला था. It's been over a year.
Exactly. Yeah, I feel I think she's the asshole because after a
Hmm.
point you can't just be nice and think that oh I'm going to get my money back, bro. It's been a year. Be a dickhead. घर पे चले जाओ उसके भाई कि क्या बाली वाली जा रही है मेरे पैसे किधर है निकाल ब्रो ये बेच दे मेरे को पैसे
बंदे बुला के जाके
I swear,
यार
bro.
सीधा भाई राइट ऑफ कर दो. बैड डेट्स गेम ओवर. But I think that $2,000 is what like 1.7 lakh
Yeah,
approximately.
yeah,
Like it's a lot of money
yeah, bro.
for her to loan her that amount of money with
Hmm.
all trust
Yeah,
and with the patience of 6 months.
yeah.
6 months is long time.
Hmm.
उसके बाद 1 साल हो गया.
और वो बंदी
But
में भी
the
ऐसा
audacity, yeah, मतलब
गिल्ट नहीं है ब्रो
yeah,
कि भाई
guilt नहीं, and मतलब the audacity, the same thing that you said, to call her petty. अच्छा, at the time that you borrowed the money, she was not petty.
yeah please दे देने यार pay you back bro अभी fuck off blocked.
उसे कुछ करा रहा रहेगा, कुछ फिलर विलर वगैरह. फिर जाके वहां पर फिर प्राइवेट यॉट पे शेक्स वगैरह के साथ चल रहा है. ओके, द फाइनल वन फॉर द डे. These stories get me traumatized, man. Am I the asshole for telling my friend about a parent's affair? Interesting shit. Me and her, 23 female, have been friends since childhood. Our parents became friends through us. That's a lot of guilt.
Yeah.
Her dad is pretty rich. Nice.
Yeah.
Stepdad. And often helped me financially, which is no excuse for what he did. But I grew up with that burden of gratitude. Early on, I had felt awkward about it, but he would come home and it would be just me and mom. They would suddenly disappear while I was distracted. As I learnt over time what was going on, it disgusted me not as much as it had become a norm for me. I never talked about it to her or even mom for that matter. Last week, when we were alone and talking about future and stuff, she brought up how our parents have maintained the friendship they formed long ago. I didn't
Yeah.
mean to get scoffed. I didn't mean to, but scoffed and muttered, "Yeah, friendship," which she heard. When she herself asked, I didn't see any problem in telling her. She was having a hard time believing her dad was cheating, then yelled at me for ruining her dad's image for her. All through her crying, she maintained I was at fault for telling her, as she obviously can't change the past and it was better that she didn't know. Astronomer. Real life
Sounds
astronomer.
very familiar, bro.
This
But
is very
it is
tricky.
Very tricky, भाई. ऐसे मतलब I don't know what to say over here, bro. कि मतलब वो बंदी की भी गलती नहीं कि she was expecting, for example, अगर मेरे दोस्त को पता होता कि ये सब चल रहा है और मेरे को ही नहीं बता रहा है, that's a
हाँ.
very weird thing. I would also have been upset कि भाई क्यों नहीं बोला अभी तक.
No. So उसका कैसे था कि क्यों बोला मेरे को?
हाँ वही वो मैं वो उल्टे वे में बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं
अगर
उस
वैसा
चीज के
होता
लिए,
तो
हाँ,
तो फिर उसके लिए भी बोलता कि अरे मेरे को बोला क्यों नहीं,
बोला क्यों नहीं.
और अभी
हाँ,
बोल दिया, वो भी ऐसे
I
इन अ
don't know,
बैड
it's
कॉन्टेक्स्ट
very-
बोला उसको. मतलब
yeah,
आई नो कि she didn't mean she didn't mean to say it
yeah,
because they have been friends for so long
yeah.
and she never brought it up.
Hmm.
वो तो अभी ऐसा टॉपिक निकला एंड वो एक इंस्टिंक्टिवली निकला,
हाँ.
इंस्टिंक्टिवली निकला
Yeah.
कि या फ्रेंडशिप.
Hmm.
तो it was out of maybe her own frustration
हाँ.
because she's been dealing with it alone for so long.
So long.
She hasn't confronted her mom
Hmm.
and she hasn't told her friend about it, you know, this is what your dad and my mom are up to.
मेरा
Yeah.
पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ये होता है कि ब्रो तूने मेरे को अब तक बोला क्यों नहीं. इसका उल्टा है कि तूने मेरे को बोला क्यों, which ऐसा
Yeah.
sounds.
Yeah, I completely
Yeah.
get your point.
Yeah.
But इसमें कैसा है कि things are so tricky in the sense कि example, let's say कि
Hmm.
this has been going on since 2-3 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now those 2-3 years of your life,
Hmm.
now as the other friend जिसको नहीं पता,
हाँ.
your life is simple, normal, everything
Yeah.
is fine.
Yeah.
You think your dad is great.
Yeah.
Your parents have a very happy, healthy relationship.
Yeah.
And now, just randomly one day getting bombarded with that knowledge
Yeah.
that's happening since 2-3 years. You're like, the past 2-3 years have been a lie.
Yeah. I
for
know
so
उसके
long,
लिए-
yeah, for so long. And now I can't look at my dad the same way.
Yeah.
And she has not told me since a very long time because she was the first one to discover it.
Yeah.
And my life can't go back to the same way it was.
Hmm.
And like, do I tell my mom or I don't tell her? And then I tell you, after everything, if I were in her shoes,
Hmm.
like in the other friend's shoes, है ना, जिसको अभी just पता लगा है,
Hmm.
so I would be like, ये नहीं पता होता तो अच्छा.
हाँ अग्रीड. ये उसके लिए बहुत ट्रिकी सिचुएशन है कि
हाँ.
सब कुछ एक साथ हो रहा है, पूरी लाइफ चेंज होगी उसके लिए.
हाँ.
बट वो ये बंदी को उसको नहीं ब्लेम करना चाहिए कि तूने मेरे को
हाँ.
क्यों बोला. That
That
is
I
wrong.
agree. That I agree.
और
Yeah,
वो
yeah, yeah.
मतलब बेसिकली बंदी it's very hard for her to accept all this. That is the reason why she is reacting in a way she is reacting. तो थोड़े टाइम बाद I think she'll be normal and she'll appreciate the fact that कि finally मेरे को पता चला. ठीक है, I don't blame her for reacting like this because भाई उसकी पूरी जिंदगी चेंज हो गई.
Yeah.
But don't blame her bro. मतलब उसने एटलीस्ट 2-3 साल तो उसने अपने अंदर रखा है.
उसका तू ले सिचुएशन विद द किड्स ऑफ दैट एस्ट्रोनॉमर का सीईओ. वो ऐसे टीवी पे
तो भाई एटलीस्ट पता तुझे उधर टीवी पे एक दिन random
टीवी पे दुनिया के
look
साथ
at the stars. अरे बाजू
और बापू.
भाई वेरी वेरी ट्रिकी सिचुएशन बट इट्स वेरी ट्रिकी सिनेरियो.
Yeah.
ऐसा किसी को होना नहीं चाहिए सिचुएशन पे.
Correct.
सो वी आई मीन हमारे साथ होता हम पता नहीं क्या करते.
वही and an affair with your friend's parent.
Insane.
मतलब मैं वो घर में भी नहीं जा सकता.
Yeah.
अब मतलब अभी इट्स लाइक कि एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई डोंट नो टिल व्हाट एक्सटेंट बिकॉज हमारे में ट्रू नहीं है ये, होपफुली होपफुली हमारे में ट्रू नहीं है, बट ये वो दोस्तों का भी इक्वेशन कैसे चेंज करता है यू डोंट नो, बिकॉज दे बोथ नो कि हमारी तो गलती नहीं है ना, बट our parents are boning, so we don't
Officially sisters, bro.
yeah, like they're clapping cheeks and all. नहीं, the point being that कि we think that she's not the asshole
Yeah.
because वो बहुत spontaneously बाहर आया
हाँ,
and she didn't mean to, उसको अगर पहले ही बोलना होता to you know तो वो पहले ही बोल देती,
बोल देती.
and at the end her defense was कि तूने मेरे को क्यों बताया, मेरे को नहीं जानना,
नहीं जानना.
so she's not the asshole, बहुत spontaneously निकला,
Correct.
and and ये भी asshole नहीं है to maybe
Yeah.
lash out at her.
Yeah. चल this will ऐसा let हम ऐसा कोई verdict नहीं दे रहे हम ये
हाँ,
ऐसा.
बिकॉज ये थोड़ा
हाँ.
आजकल क्योंकि इतना ट्रेंड हो रहा है ये सब
हाँ.
तो ये बहुत ट्रिकी सिचुएशन
ये हाई कोर्ट में जाने दो.
मैं भी जाता हूँ आई कुड
On that note, thank you guys for watching.
Thanks.
It's been a
Thanks
good
so much.
episode. We'll
Yes.
be back with more segments. Part 2, Part 3 probably we'll be back in the future. And let me know what you guys think. Let us know what you think. कौन asshole था?
ये वो खाली तब के लिए बोलता है कि आई थिंक विल बी बैक विद मोर सेगमेंट जब हमारे पास कोई टॉपिक नहीं है बात करने को वरना बोला आजकल लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है रे, अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, सेगमेंट करते हैं,
क्या है bro? Reddit खोल.
सेगमेंट खोलते हैं.
Thank you
Okay.
guys for watching.
Comment who was the asshole.
Yes. If you agree with us, if you don't agree with us, let us know.
We don't care. Yeah, let's go. Bye.
Peace.